Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the top plane, so we'll select here the exit plane, rotate the view. Here take the rectangle command and take 2 points center rectangle. From the center point, make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension, define the width as 110 and the height will be of 70 mm. Okay, now finish sketch. Here take extrude command and take extrude of 30 mm. Okay, so this will be a single direction extrude and press OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Here take the rectangle command once again. This time we will consider 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile. Okay, go to dimension, define the width of 90 mm and this height here will be of 20 mm. Okay, now escape. Now here you can see this rectangle is in a movement, okay, like this. So to constrain this movement, go to vertical constraint, select the center point of this rectangle, the green point, and select this yellow point. Now the location has been fixed. You can see it is fully constrained sketch now. Finish sketch, take extrude. Here also we will take extrude of 30 mm. This will be single direction extrude and press OK. Now we will construct the other profiles. Zoom in. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the line command. Select this top point and make a taper profile. And here join till this end and join till here. Now go to dimension. Define this as 10 mm and from this corner this also 10 mm. Now finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile, flip the direction and take a direct distance of 15 mm. This will be a joining profile, okay, and press OK. Now we want same profile this side as well. So go to mirror command, select extrude 3, go to mirror plane, go to origin and select here the YZ plane. Press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command. Again we will take here 2-point rectangle and make the rectangle profile. Go to dimension, define this height as 10 mm and the width of 30 mm. Okay, now take vertical constraint, select the center and select the center. Finish sketch, take extrude, flip the direction to cut, so it will change to cut profile. From here we will consider all, so this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now here select this face, the side face, go to create sketch, take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile. Go to vertical dimension or the vertical constraint, select this point and select the yellow point. Okay, now go to dimension. Here define this as 15, define this as 40. Okay, finish sketch, take extrude, flip the direction and here take all, so this will be a through cut and press OK. Okay, now select this top face, go to create sketch, take circle command, make a circle here of diameter 30, go to horizontal constraint, or when you switch to top you can take it a vertical constraint. Select this point, go to dimension. Here we will define this from any of the side. From here I'll take it as 25 mm. Okay, finish sketch, take extrude, here take cut, and here we'll take all. So this will be a through cut, and press OK. Go to home view. So we have completed all the profiles. Okay, now here I'll give the appearance. Here I'll take the light red color. Okay, so this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor by using the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos.